How to bookmark posts and view them on X. Let's get started. First off, make sure you are using the latest version of X app. To check that, launch your App Store. Now, at the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can open it. You'll be directed to the home page. Once you're on the home page, here you're going to find a different post. Now head over to any of the posts that you want to bookmark. Just click on it. At the bottom, you're going to find different options as comments, likes, repost, and you'll also find the option to bookmark. Over here, you have to click on that. Post added to your bookmarks. So this way you can easily bookmark any of the posts. You just have to click on the spin icon. Now where can you find the post that you have bookmarked? For that, you'll need to click on your profile picture given at the top left. Now navigate to the option bookmarks. Now over here you're going to find the list of the posts that you have bookmarked. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily bookmark posts and view them on X. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.